Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and video number 3. So today we're going to be doing a Sephora unboxing. So this was all from the VIB sale, VIB Rouge sale. So I got all the products for 15% off, and so let's just get into it. So the first thing I got was the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I really needed a new contouring palette, and I hear really good things about this one, that it works for like a lot of skin tones. I used to have the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and it really worked for me during like the winter months, but for summer and like for summer where I got darker, it really didn't. So I feel like everyone said that this one's a little bit more versatile, and I feel like everyone uses it, so really excited for this. The next thing I got is the Caudalie Fluide Matifiant Hydrante. I think this is what it's trying to say, is it's a matte moisturizer. I got a sample of this, like a deluxe sample, I'm not even sure from where, and I instantly fell in love with it. So it just comes like this. It's a little bit of like a thicker cream, and I have oily skin, so it really blends in really well to my skin, and my skin just kind of drinks it up. It feels hydrated but not greasy, which I really liked. Before this I was using orange ginseng, and I really liked that, but I just was like, okay, let me try something new, and I really do like Caudalie products. Next thing is an eye cream. This is from Youth to the People. This is a kale and aloe sunflower oil tripeptide 5 superfood peptide eye cream. A lot of words. This brand just looks really cool. This is the first time I'll be trying anything from them, and so it's just an eye cream. I was using the pharmacy pharmacy eye cream. I didn't really think it did a lot for me, so I'm hoping this one does a little bit more in terms of just even moisturizing. The next thing I got I'm really excited about is from Ouai. This is an anti-frizz hair sheets. It looks like a little cigarette box, but inside you get little sheets for I guess like to smooth out your hair. I suffer from really dry, frizzy hair, so I feel like this will be really good to just like pop into my purse. And the next thing I got is an oldie but a goodie. It's one of my favorite nude lipsticks. This is Kat Von D's Lolita. Get the box open. It's just one of my favorite nudie pink mauve-y lipsticks. It kind of is my go-to color. Pretty sure everyone's seen this. Like, it just suits so many different skin tones, and it really just works really well with mine for when I have like a dramatic eye look and I just want to nude out my lips. The next thing I got I'm actually really excited for and kind of nervous for. I've never really done cream contouring, so this will be my first go at it. I feel like this product will be a little forgiving. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna match stick in the shade Mocha. So it's a cream contouring product. I don't know. Do people swatch contour? I don't know. But this is just a deeper skin tone than my own, and I'm hoping it'll like I can learn how to cream contour with this, and it'll be subtle enough that even if I make a mistake, like it won't be too noticeable. I also received a sample of this. I actually was out of my original Nars foundation. Nars just makes the best foundations in my opinion. It really they match my skin tone. Like, I can never find something that matches me better than Nars Syracuse. And so I really loved their All Day Luminous foundation, and when that ran out I cried a little bit, and I went to Sephora and she was like, oh, you should try this. So this is their new Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. Oh thank God, I shortened the name. And she was like, oh, this is like everything that you probably loved about that foundation, but it's a little bit more long wearing. And she gave me a sample of it, and I loved it, and I got a lot of compliments the day I was wearing it. Not from strangers, like from people who see me with makeup, and they were like, who regularly see me with makeup, and they were like, oh, that foundation just looks really nice, so I bought the full size. Nars just always kills it with their foundations and with their packaging. Like, how could you not want this? It looks so fancy. And I'm really excited to just use it all the time. The next product is also something I use all the time. It's the eyeliner I'm actually wearing right now. It started to feel like it was drying up, so I felt like I should probably get it back up. And this is the Makeup Forever ink liner. And it's just a really matte, really black eyeliner. And it's felt tip, and it works really good. I've used so many different eyeliners, and this one is my favorite. And then the NYC eyeliner, I don't even know if they make it anymore. I can't find it at the drugstore, but that one was another one of my favorites. To just create like a really thin eyeliner, really precise, and it just dries down really matte black, which is what I like. So this is the Benefit Give Me Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and that's a less one than I was anticipating it. But I've just heard that this is like to comb through your brows, and it like defines them without being super dramatic. I don't know, I don't really like super overdone eyebrows. I like just like that effortless, lived-in, feathery look. And so I feel like I bought this to achieve that, and I'm hoping it works. Next thing I got is from IGK. This is their Thirsty Girl Coconut Milk Leave-In Conditioner. So I have really dry hair, and I've been trying to figure out ways to calm it down, make sure that I give it some moisture, because I do heat style it. I did color it. It's not even a color, but I did color it. And so I heard really good things about this brand, and so I wanted to try. I feel like leave-in conditioners are kind of safe. Like, really, there's not a lot of ways for a leave-in conditioner to disappoint you. And I thought it would be a great way to introduce myself to the brand. So I'm really excited to use this. Hopefully it helps me. And then I got a product that I got in a BoxyCharm. This is a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I got this in a BoxyCharm, and my hair loved it. And like it felt so smooth, it felt really shiny, and it just felt like really nice. And so I was waiting for the sale to get it because it's kind of expensive. Just kind of, no, it's really expensive. But it's just like a really, it's a really thick, like almost balmy type conditioner. And I just, when I'm in the shower after I shampoo and I condition with the pair, I put this on afterwards for like 3 minutes. So I'll just like, do what you do in the shower for 3 minutes after I put this on, rinse it out, and when I come out, like just the 3 minutes of this being in there, it makes such a big difference. I mean, to the point where when I wasn't using it, like my hair dried right back up. Not bad. Am I gonna need this for the rest of my life? I don't know. It was real good. Like I loved it. So even if I have to use it for the rest of my life and make my hair feel great, I will use it. And then the final product that I bought was a new beauty blender. For all the black ones are just my favorite. So I always stock up during the sale. And also, I was born in the month of May, so I also got the Glam Glow Hello Sexy gift. I think this includes, yeah, so this includes the Glam Glow Pure Mud Clearing Treatment and the Glam Glow Glow Starter Moisturizer. So I'm really excited to use it. I really do like Glam Glow. They're kind of expensive too, but their stuff does work. Like, I had the white one when it was a little bit more ballin', you know, so I had the white mask and it really did make a difference. And then I grew up and I got a car, and then I can't afford $64 mask, but it was good when I had it, so I'm excited to use that. So that's it. That's what I got for my Sephora sale haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to incorporate some products in upcoming videos so you can see them in action, and then maybe in a month's time I can give you a review on them. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!